In this video, you will learn how to add a discount pop-up in Wix. First, log in. Log into your Wix account and open your site in the editor. Then, click Marketing and SEO tab on the left sidebar. Select Pop-up and Forms. Go to the Wix Forms in the App Market if you've not installed it. Click New Pop-up and choose a template like Newsletter Pop-up or Promo. Customize. Customize the pop-up content, such as add your discount offer, such as get 10% off or buy one get one free. Add a form field if you want to collect emails or you let users claim the offer. Setup. Set up the pop-up trigger, such as when a user lands on the site or after 2 minutes. Choose. Choose which page the pop-up will appear on. Click Publish or Apply to activate the coupon on your live site. Make sure to test. Test your pop-up to make sure it looks good and the functionality works. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.